Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox the Tonor JBMMJ noise isolating earphones and take a close-up look. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. Okay, so now let's open up the box. So let's remove the earphones. Actually, let's first remove this carry case here. And it looks like a little pretty round carry case with a J in the middle. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so we have some earbuds or ear tips there. And a cable or cord clip there, just to keep your cord from flopping about and rubbing against your clothes or getting in the way of your arms when you're chasing the bus or train or just doing anything kind of active. Okay, so let's put that down. And let's have a look at the different size earbuds that are in this little packet here. And here we go. So there's three different sizes, small, medium, and large there. And they're soft silicone, or silicone actually, earbuds there. So let me put that down. And let's see what else, if there's anything under here. Okay, so there's some other bits and bobs under the earphone tray there in the box. And what we have here is a double jack here, which is quite interesting. So let's open up this packet and take a closer look. Let me undo the cable tie here. And hopefully I don't tangle this up. There we go, so it unfolds nicely here. So double jack, which I believe is for the computer connection. So if you want to use the earphones for on your computer or laptop, you can actually make use of the built-in mic with the earphones, which is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool feature here. So they kept the PC users in mind when it comes to these earphones. So you can make your video calls or I think even gaming you could use it for, since yeah, that's what the microphone there is for. And we have a CD here. Well, it's been a long time since I've seen CDs of this size. And so it's a burn-in software. So I suspect that's for burning in the earphones for those audiophiles there who like to sort of like wear in or season in their earphones instead of just plugging in and blasting away. Because some users believe that conditioning the earphones is good for in terms of maintaining and producing like the best sounds. So we have a user manual here in Chinese and English. Okay, so now let's take a look at the earphones themselves. Let me pop them out from the tray. And let me undo this cord here, or zip tie, sorry, and give you an idea of the length. Oh, they've even protected the 3.5mm jack there with a little cap or cover, which is quite nice. So it's a gold-plated 3.5mm jack there, which you can see. Trying to get it to focus at the moment. There we go. Okay, so, and the insulation is rubber, so it's a rubber insulated cable or cord here. So I'm trying to give you an idea of the length here. On the product specs on the box, it says 1.2 meters in length, so that's kind of standard for most earphones. Just need to, there's a bit of entanglement here. I'll quickly undo all this, and okay, so if you want to have a look at the length there, I'm just running it across the screen or the frame. There we go. And let me double it up and triple it up. So there we go. Okay, so now let's have a close-up look at the actual earphones themselves finally. If I can get it to focus in a moment. There we go. So we have the left and right earphones here. So they have a metal housing or casing on them. So it gives you that added durability over plastic earphones. So that's a nice touch. And we're going to see them more and more commonly used these days with the metal housing. And there's an actual multi-function button here with a microphone, so you can use this with a built-in microphone. You can see the little pinhole there, and so you can use this pair of earphones for your smartphone as well for making and taking calls and music playback. So that's a pretty good feature. So overall, it's well thought out earphones which you can use with your PC and laptop as well. So that's the Tonor JBMMJ noise isolating earphones. Thanks for watching and happy listening.